Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the weekly analysis. It goes from the 16th of June, which is today, Monday, until the 23rd of the 6th month of 2014. You're watching Bitstamp right now, and Bitcoin Wisdom is the trading platform that provides the data. This is $602.37. That's the price so far. We have an increase on the price from last night, which is a very positive thing. But the most positive part of it is based on the weekly chart and all the major time frames, which are the 3-day chart and the daily chart. We see potential opportunities on the horizon. And when I'm talking about opportunities on the horizons, is this particular pattern that we see so far. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, each candle is 7 days of trading, and so far the price is trying to build a new higher low. This could be the first higher low of this particular time frame. It helps to know that if this higher low it's built by the price, we might experience a new momentum. And what I'm saying about a new momentum is a new bullish trend that it can end up pushing the price towards this area. This is the new target. 710 is more an obstacle than a target now. And right now the next target, in the event that this higher low gets created by the price, and obviously definitely 995. Yes, at this point, like I said before, 710 turns into an obstacle more than a target. And right now the price, obviously with the buyers on the side, they're trying to absorb as many sellers as possible until there is none sellers around, 0 sellers, and then after that obviously they can push the price with more buyers volume to other areas. And why not? The 683 with 26 can be history, and the price can push himself up. So far the situation, we spoke about this particular pattern a few weeks ago, that it was important to have it in order to bring more confidence to the market and to the market makers, and so far seems like it's happening. And here is the 3-day chart. After 21 days of a rally, the price start showing us kind of an uncertainty from the market, and especially from the buyers and sellers at this point. And look at what happened. The retracement managed to deny 50% of the previous uptrend, which is quite normal and is very good. If the price was actually going into a sell-off, I will end up reconsidering entering in the market. But so far the retracement is kind of like a proportion to the previous uptrend, which is quite a positive thing. And right now we see that the price is trying to push towards 630. We might experience during this week kind of like a sideways trend on intraday wise. So what happens at this point is we might see a fluctuation between supports and resistance with the price in the small time frames. Potential counter trends can come along, and it can benefit 15-minute chart and maybe 60-minute chart. Why not? 5-minute chart is good, but obviously I don't use it at this point because sometimes it's too erratic and it's really hard to read. But 15-minute chart and 60-minute chart, there are very decent graphics and decent way to analyze those particular time frames. But at this point we believe that the price will try to build a new support in the small time frames, such as daily chart as well. Because if daily chart bring us the opportunities to see supports and resistance, then we can measure the opportunities to go in the market in the other small time frames. But at this point, apart from the retracement towards the SMA 200 and this particular pivot, so far we see that the price is right now trying to gain once again everything that it was lost from previous retracements, and buyers might push the price once again with enough volume to deny the previous retracement, and why not, to build those patterns that we discussed in previous sessions. Higher low in weekly chart will be ideal, and will be an ideal situation, and why not the 3-day chart can come along do this and do the same thing, which that just reinforce the opportunity for a new bullish trend. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great week trading, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.